In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your Instagram using Zapier and ChatGPT. This method will help streamline your social media activities and make your Instagram management more efficient. Let's get started. Firstly, head over to the Zapier website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and click on Log In. It's an easy option to spot. When that login page opens, you'll have various options, but for speed and efficiency, I'd recommend logging in with your Google account if you have one. It's quick and avoids the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of Zapier. You can usually find it quite easily, or just use their menu. When you get there, the next step is to click on Create. This option is your gateway to setting up new automation tasks. After that, go ahead and click on Zaps. These are the automated workflows you'll be setting up to integrate Instagram and ChatGPT. Inside your Zap setup, look for the option to add a trigger. Triggers are crucial as they are the events that initiate the automated actions. Click on Trigger, then search for Schedule. This is where you get to decide how frequently you want your Zap to run. For this tutorial, let's choose every day for our scheduled event. Next, it's time to sign into your accounts. Click sign in on the account option and follow the prompts. After signing in, it's important to test your connection just to ensure everything is working fine. Click test to do this. Now onto the exciting part, click on action for the next step of your Zap. Type open into the search bar and then select ChatGPT from the options. ChatGPT is excellent for content suggestions and creating interactive posts. You'll now choose an event under ChatGPT. Specifically, you'll want to click Generate an Image with DALL-E. This feature allows you to create unique and engaging visuals, which are fantastic for making your Instagram posts stand out. Sign in again when prompted, and test the connection to ensure everything is working smoothly. After testing, add another step by clicking the plus sign. Type open again, and this time select ChatGPT for a conversation setup. You can use this for generating captions or interacting with your followers in meaningful ways. After you've got that sorted, the next step is integrating Instagram. In the search option, type Instagram and select Instagram for Business. Choose the event that you want to automate, in this case publish photo. Sign into your Instagram account when prompted, and once more make sure to click test to ensure there are no issues. Finally, after all your steps are set up, click publish to set your automation live. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you've successfully automated your Instagram with Zapier and ChatGPT. This automation will save you time and enhance your social media presence by keeping your profile active and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.